Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies shared in my videos. Do your own personal research so that you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, we will be going straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out some of these assets, and of course these are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, just the way every other person have been doing. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course I'm using the 3M trend, the Milka trading indicator, to do my analysis right from here. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this support zone, pulled back and went back there to break out below that support zone, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, if it's unable to break out below that support zone, then it will go back into a buy trend, but for now it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course this had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, even though it's played around there for a while before breaking out above it to get to this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying, guys. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000, and of course we're going to see the performance right away. It went on downtrend but got to this support zone and went back on buy trend, played around there for a while but was unable to go further, so it started crashing, and of course it is still selling at the moment. So this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 started the downtrend right from there, got to this support zone, was unable to go below that, so it started the buy trend from there, and it is still buying at the moment, even though it is pulling back, but it is still more of a buying opportunity. And of course if it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will break out, it will go back to try out this resistance zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the last asset is going to be V75, which is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It went on uptrend around there, got to this resistance zone, was unable to go further, so it started the downtrend right from there, so till it got to this support zone, pulled back, and of course went back down, and of course it has gotten to this support zone. It will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it's going to buy. So for now it is still selling at the moment, so you need to take note of that. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and do your own personal practice on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.